Okay, so next what we start is with the supplementary services. Supplementary services are the additional services basically what we provide to the users. So these services provided except for bearer and teleservices were including caller identification, call forwarding, waiting. So if you see first अपने पास caller ID machine आया था from which you can recognize अरे सामने वाले का number क्या है या नाम whatever. Even today we have Truecaller facility which help us identify who the caller is or what number he or she is calling from. So these additional services, what is provided except for the mandatory services and important services, are called as supplementary services. So the supplementary services includes conferencing. Conferencing, as we all know, that we make a conference call, be it audio or video. So that helps to connect more than one people, more than two people, sorry, at a time. So, instead of sending messages one by one, you can just connect two, three people at a time. If you're connecting from phone, then maximum, I guess, even today on WhatsApp, you can connect is four people. So instead of passing the information one by one, you can at a time pass it to them by having a conference call. Next is call waiting services. Now, call waiting services where you're already on a call and uh, the system, the company wants to inform that someone else is also trying to reach you. So sometimes, if you put that off, you will not understand who was trying to reach you or who was not. But if say I want to know because sometimes I maybe just do time pass with the friends, having a small stupid talks or say which will go on for like hours and hours. But in between, I'm receiving an important call. So वो important call inform होना चाहिए. You should be made aware of. That's why we have call waiting services. Next is call hold. Like if your one call is going on, you want to attend another call which is important, but which will not take long for you to discuss or to talk on. So you can put first call on hold and then you can continue with the another call. Once that is done, you can resume the previous call. So that is the call hold services, which is very beneficial. Next is call forwarding services that sometimes your mobile is not working or for some or the other reason it is not available. Then simply you can forward your call to some other numbers like someone from the friends or family who can receive your calls or on whose phone you can receive calls. So the benefit of this is कि आपका कोई भी कॉल मिस नहीं होता है आपका कोई भी important कॉल का लॉस नहीं you have to face. Similarly, we have another services to be done like number identification, advice of charge, close user groups. Like number identification, as I said, caller ID अपने पास होता है, call waiting services होता है, international calls करने का नहीं करने का call bearing services भी होता है, like what international calls I can make, what are the schemes for it, how much it is costing me, what what advantages I have over it. And closed user groups, like you make a group, the way you make groups on WhatsApp, similarly you can make groups and then have a group calls. So these are all the supplementary services that is provided by GSM, which somehow made life easier and make things also easier to attend in case of any urgency or say emergency. Next, what we'll see in the next lecture is GSM architectures. So for today, as of now, you will write about what is GSM, what are its three services, including the diagram, and you will explain all the supplementary services in detail in your own words. And will submit it today by 8 p.m. In case of any doubts or difficulties, please let me know. Thank you.